Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching my video, my name is Lisette. So for today, I have a huge announcement. I am doing a giveaway. It's US only. I will be giving away a bunch of amazing products. I will put a video clip of all the products I'm giving away. There are going to be two winners to this giveaway. The first winner that I select, I'm going to contact them, and whoever answers first is going to be able to select from all the amazing products I have what they want to get, and then the rest of the products will go to the second winner. Here's some of the rules. First of all, you have to subscribe to my channel. Then you have to comment on this video your favorite makeup product and your favorite skincare product. And then, of course, engagement is key in all of the videos. The more, the better. As well as a bonus entry is if you go and follow me on my Instagram, which is Lismania Beauty. I will be putting it right here. As well as all the rules, I will be putting it on my description. So make sure to check that out before entering the contest. And I will be putting there the deadline to my contest as well. I wish you luck on this giveaway. Remember that it's US only giveaway. I will be doing this giveaway on my own on US this time, and then hopefully in the future I could go ahead and do international. But I just finished the international giveaway, which was a collab, and now I am doing this one on my own. So check out all the amazing goodies I'm so excited to give to two of you guys, lucky winners, and wish you all luck. I'm so excited for this, to be giving back to you guys as all the other giveaways I've been doing. I'm so happy that you guys support me so much. So therefore, that is why I'm doing this giveaway for you guys. Like I said, I will be doing more giveaways in the future. And stay tuned to my channel, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Engagement is key. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Good luck to you guys. Bye.
I've been waiting for this. Yeah, it's been up on my mind. Oh, it's hard to resist. Feeling like one of a kind. Oh, now the hard time's over. And for a moment, I won't look back now. Yeah, and it's moving closer. I can feel it coming. Oh, now it's my time now. Oh, now when I look back, it's like it's another game that I'm playing now. 'Cause it's finally here. Finally, yeah, here. Oh, 'cause it's finally here. Finally, yeah. Ooh. I've been staring again, gazing at the night sky.